Hello my dears, how are you today? You are fine at your home? Very good. So, welcome back to online class. Which class is this? Do you know which class is this? This is English class. Which class? English class. Okay. In which class do you study? You study in LKG class. You have to say like this. I study in LKG. Okay. And in which school you are? You are. Tell me in which school you are. What is the name of your school? My school name is Gokuldas Public School. What you will say? My school name is Gokuldas Public School. Okay. So, today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn phonic sound. What? Phonic sound of letter M and N. Today we will learn phonic sound of letter M and N. Okay, we have learned phonic sound of letter A, B, D, E, F till L. Okay, now we will learn phonic sound of letter M and N. After learning this phonic sound, we will revise letter A to N. All the sounds of letters. So, which letter is this? Letter M. Which letter is this? Letter M. And sound of letter M is What is sound of letter M is? When you're very hungry or your mama make very tasty food for you, so what you say? Mama, it is very yummy. You say it like this. It's very yummy. What you say? It's very yummy. So, the sound of letter M is What is sound of letter M is? Okay. So, M. So, M. Mango. M. Mango. M. Mango. M. Mango. M. Mat. M. Mat. So what is sound? You also say with me. Sound of M. Sound of M is Sound of M is Sound of M is Take. M. Mat. M. Mat. Okay. M. Mug. M. Mug. M. Mug. Then next, map. What is this? M for map. And map. What is map? Map क्या होता है? Map एक नक्शा होता है. Okay? Map. Map. What is map? Map एक नक्शा होता है कोई भी जगह का. Okay? So, M. Map. M. Map. Okay? M. Mango. M. Mango. M. Mat. M. Mat. M. Mug. M. Mug. M. Mat. These are the phonic sound of letter M. M for mango, M for mat, M for mug, M for mat, M for monkey, M for man. So phonic sound of letter M is Phonic sound of letter M is You also say with me When your mama make tasty food, what you say? So yummy. You say like this now. So what is the sound of letter M is? Sound of letter M is mango. M mango. M mat. M mat. M mug. M mug. M map. M map. M monkey. M man. Okay. What we have learned? We have learned phonic sound of letter M. So you also say phonic sound of letter M is Phonic sound letter M is Okay. After that N. After that N. So what is the phonic sound of letter N? You know, when aeroplane flies in the sky, airplane fly in the sky. So what sound is made? What sound does aeroplane make? The sound of aeroplane is So sound of N is Sound of N is The sound which aeroplane make is the sound of letter N. Okay. Sound of letter N is Okay. N for net. N for nose. N for nest. N for nip. N for nurse. Okay. So N net. N net. N net. And nose. And nose. And nose. And nest. And nest. What is sound of letter N is? What is sound of letter N is? When aeroplanes fly in the sky, it make noise. So, the sound of letter N is Okay. And neck. And neck. And nose. And nose. And nest. And nest. And nip. Nip. It is the nip of the pen. Nip. Okay. And nip. And nip. And nurse. You know nurse? Yes. It is in hospital. It wear white dress. Yes. And nurse. And nurse. And nurse. Okay. So, what we have learned? Today we have learned phonic sound of letter M and N. M, and Okay, so M, and airplanes fly, right? Make noise. Hmm. So, phonic sound of letter N is hmm. Phonic sound of letter M is hmm. Okay. M. Hmm. Mango. M. Hmm. Mat. M. Hmm. Mug. M. Hmm. Map. M. Hmm. Monkey. M. Hmm. Man. And hmm. Net. And hmm. Nose. And hmm. Net. And hmm. Nip. And hmm. Nuts. Okay. What we have learned? We have learned phonic sound of letter M and N. So we will revise all the phonic sounds from letter A to N. What we will do? We will revise all the phonic sound letter A to N. Okay. Which letter is this? A. The sound of letter A is A. Sound of letter A is A. Aeroplane. Arrow. Okay. After A, B. The sound of letter B is B. The sound of letter B is B. Sound of letter B is B. A, B. After that, C. The sound of letter C is K. The sound of letter C is K. A, B, B. C, K. Cat. Cup. Okay. A, B, C. Then D. Sound of letter D is D. Sound of letter D is D. A, B, B. C, K. D, D. Doll. Door. Okay. A, B, C, D. After D, E. The sound of letter E is A. The sound of letter E is A. Elephant. Engine. Okay. Sound of letter E is A. Sound of letter E is A. Elephant. Engine. Okay. A, B, B. C, K. D, D. E, A. F. After E, F. Sound of letter F is fish. Fan. Sound of letter F is fish. Fan. Okay. A, B, B. C, K. D, D. E, A. F. Okay. After F, G. G. G, G. Glass. Gun. G, K. G, K. A, B, B. C, K. D, D. E, A. F, G, G. H, Igloo. Ink. Okay. Igloo. Ink. I E. I E. A B B C K D D E A F G G H I E J J J J Jug. Joker. J J J J Joker. J J G H I J K. Sound of K is K. Sound of K is K. Kite. Kangaroo. K K K K. Kite. Kangaroo. G H I J K L. Sound of L is L. Sound of L is L. Sound of L is lion. Lamb. Sound of L is L. Sound of L is L. Lion. Lamb. Then H I J K L M. Today we have learned sound of letter M. M. Sound of letter M. What is sound of letter M? Man. Monkey. Math. Sound of letter M is Sound of letter M is Sound of letter M is Monkey. Man. Mango. After that, sound of letter N. N is sound of letter N is net. And nose. Sorry. And nest. And nose. And net. Okay. So what we have learned? We have learned sound of letter M and N today. Okay. A B B C K D D E A F G G H I E J J K K L L K K L M N Okay, so you have to revise all these phonic sounds. Okay, whenever I will ask you, you have to say me all the sounds. Okay, and your homework. Okay, sight words. Let us read some sight words. Sight words are D-O, do. D-O, do. D-O, do. Do means karna, do. I do my work regularly. D-O, do. D-O, do. I do my work regularly. Say with me. D-O, do. D, D, do. D-O, do. D-O, do. W-E-V. W-E-V. We go to school. We go to big school. V. W-E-V. D-O. Do. W-E-V. D-O. Do. I do my work regularly. We go to big school. W-E-V. W-E-V. D-O. Do. Okay. And your homework is small letter C on page number 11. On page number 11. On page number 11, you have to write letter C in your homework. This is your book. This is your book. So page number 11. Here. Small lowercase c. You have to complete this page in your homework. This is your homework. Page number 11. Okay. So be safe at your home. Do your work regularly. Bye. Have a nice day and look after yourself.